Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Matthew here, and for this video I thought I'd do a little test of my newest USB microphone, the Blue Snowball Ice, that I got off of eBay for roughly around 22 bucks. I did a earlier test on this thing, and I did have some trouble setting it up at first, but from what I heard so far in my first test before this one, it sounds really great, and I've heard a lot of good things about this microphone through a couple of top 10 lists or whatever, from older models of the Blue Snowball Ice. The one I got here is one of the newer models without the cardioid switches, which should be featured on the older models of the Snowball Ice. I was gonna get that at first because with the one with the switch on the back for cardioid settings, I what was it? I could switch between various sound settings, from from speaking into the microphone from the front side, or from the back, or just all around, from 360 degrees. I was gonna get that, but essentially I thought, I only needed a microphone for me to speak into from the front side. So I decided to get one of the newer Blue Snowball Ices, the white collar model, that I can speak into the front to only, but that's the only side that I need to speak into. So I don't know how well this sounds to any of you folks out there, because this is unedited sound that I'm recording right now into the mic. I tried it out with the background noise reduced or not reduced. The differences between the reduced background noise and the unedited sounds that I'm recording, it differs slightly, but it's pretty much the same thing that you'd expect from this microphone right here. So I just thought I would demonstrate the sound capabilities of this thing, and so far it's working out pretty good. The only problem I encountered was that the USB cable that came with the microphone that I bought off of eBay is that you have to adjust the connection between the microphone and your computer, where you have to plug it into one of the USB ports. Sorry, that's my house phone right there. Yeah. Stupid interruption. You have to make sure you have a steady connection with the USB cable from the microphone and into one of the USB ports of your computer. So that's a little bit of a problem I encountered, but I think I've got it fixed now, and everything seems all good from here. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below about your experiences with the Blue Snowball Ice. So that's gotta be it, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this little microphone sound test here. Take care of yourselves, have a good day, and I'll see you all next time.